Hiya guys, it's that time of the day again where we delve into British Kung Fu Monthly and open up the fantastic poster series. Today we will be doing 68 to 75. The end is nearly in sight, my brothers. But don't worry, there's still plenty of Kung Fu Monthly extras to cover as well. A British institution. Right, let's get to it. I'll be back in a second. Welcome back. I've got them all up and up for you, so here we go. Enter the Kung Fu Monthly, opening up issue 68. Absolutely fantastic. Let's have a look at the poster, issue 68. We've got a bit of God action there. Bruce and Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. Excellent. Issue 69. Got a bit of Hornet action there. Bruce and Van Williams. Let's open up the poster. Let's have a look. Issue 69. Very famous one here. Bruce doing his kick in the mirror room. Outstanding. We've got a Taiwan LP with that on the front. Brilliant. Issue 70. Bit of ETD on the front again. I don't know whether you noticed, but they've gone up to 70 pence now. Getting really expensive. So look at the poster, issue 70. Variation of the finger gloves one, with the monks in the background. Excellent. Issue 71. Bit of Hornet action on the front again. And the British group Madness, they must be into a bit of Bruce. Outstanding. Everybody loved Bruce back in the day. Right, let's have a look at the poster. More ETD. in the room. Excellent. Issue 72. Bit of Way of the Dragon action. Bit of Jackie Chan there. Let's have a look at the poster. Issue 72. ETD in the mirror room. Excellent. Very cool. Issue 73. Bit of Way of the Dragon again on the front. Let's have a look at the poster. Issue 73. More action in the dungeon room. Bruce with the collie sticks. Excellent. Issue 74. Bit of ETD on the front again. Let's have a look at the poster. Issue 74. Bit of press shoots. Fist of Fury. Excellent. Slick back. Here, that's how you know it's a press shoot. Last one for this episode. Issue 75. Let's have a look at the poster. World's best-selling martial arts mag. We've got a bit of a camera roll here from Fists of Fury. Excellent. Look at that, eh? Brilliant stuff. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Brings back great memories for me, this does. Going through the fabulous British Kung Fu Monthly. Have a great day, people. And remember, Bruce will never die. And join me tomorrow for another exciting British Kung Fu Monthly opening up. Have a great day, my brothers. Ta-ra!